In the IPO rush, there is a new IPO that's opened today, and that's Krystal Integrated Service Limited. It has hit the street on March 14, that's today, and will remain open for bidders until March of 18th. Hello and welcome. You're watching Business Today TV. I'm Sakshi Batra, and in this video, I'm going to be telling you 10 key points that you need to know about Krystal Integrated Services as the new IPO that's coming on street, and whether you should be applying for this IPO or not. Now, this company got incorporated in the year 2000. And it provides facilities management services. They offer a wide range of services like housekeeping, sanitation, landscaping, gardening, mechanical, electrical and plumbing services, as well as waste management, pest control as well, and many other services. Now, the Facilities Management Services company has fixed the IPO price band at 680 rupees to 715 rupees per equity share. The company aims to raise 300 crores from this IPO, out of which 175 crores is aimed through the issue of fresh shares. The net proceeds of this issue will be used towards repayment of certain borrowings, that's debt, funding the working capital requirements, as well as funding certain expenditures and general corporate purposes. Now, this company has already mobilized about 90 crores from the anchor investors. This company has reserved 50% of the entire IPO size for the qualified institutional investors, while non-institutional investors will have a 15% share and retail investors will enjoy a 35% reservation within which you and I, retail investors, can bid for. Now, as a bidder, you will be applying in lots, and one lot of the issue comprises of 20 shares, and then in multiples thereof, you will need to apply for it. The finalization of the share allocation is expected on 19th of March. Link In Time India is the official registrar of this IPO, and the public issue is proposed to get listed on both the BSE and NSE. Tentatively, it could be a listing date of 21st of March 2024. Now, what are brokerage firms saying? They are saying that most of them are positive, citing that there is a sound track record, strong execution performance, robust financial growth and reasonable valuations. However, some of them are skeptical on the issue of the back of the current market sentiments, which have dwindled over the last few months, and also dependence on just select clients and stiff competition in the industry. So, those are the pluses and the minuses. So, should you be applying or not? Let's give you all the brokerage houses' views there. Swastika Investmart in its IPO note has said that the company is well positioned to capitalize on the favorable industry trends. The company boasts a diverse customer base, a wide geographic presence, as well as a track record of the strong financial performance. Also, valuation wise, the IPO appears fully priced in at a price to earnings equity of 40 times. Some of the key challenges that are required careful consideration, like its reliance on limited number of clients, particularly the government contracts which are secured through bidding process, exposes it to some kind of a concentration risk. However, that's what Swastika has said, and therefore they've given a neutral rating to this IPO. Stocksbox has said that considering the financial performance, the company's revenue, EBITDA, PAT, they've grown at a CAGR of 22.5%, 57.3% and 86.7% respectively from FY21 to FY23 period respectively. Now, on the upper end of the price band, the issue is valued at a PE of 21.5 times based on the FY23 earnings, and which they feel is fairly valued, and therefore they've given a subscribe rating to this issue. The third brokerage house is Marwadi Financial Services, and they have assigned a subscribe rating to this IPO as the company focuses on a business model which is well positioned to capture favorable industry dynamics along with historical track record, strong financial performance. Also, it is available at a reasonable valuation when you compare it with the peers as well, and that's what these brokerage houses have said as far as Krystal Integrated Services is concerned. Do stay tuned on to Business Today TV to catch all the updates around what is the kind of trend that we are already noticing on this IPO of subscription, and also the grey market premium data. Do stay tuned, you will get more videos on that.
Darwin Platform Group of Companies is one of the fastest growing diversified Indian conglomerates with global footprints.